This was one of the best performances from Chidoshi Wewe, the Kombanga Venda Karate Kid. But people began to complain about the time slot on Facebook after RKV's performance at Phalaphala FM Royal Heritage Festival at around 2 p.m. And you can tell he was not happy either, because after performing for 14 people and security guards at Nandoni Dam, RKV went to a nearby supermarket to buy an energy drink and wrote on his Facebook page that God is beautiful. Mudzimu ndi Chidoshi. Chidoshi Wewe.
Jestoni ndigorengisa satu, iya dara di daranga mogo, utiru maka bisa tu pumbarambu, banda buka customer, pakai Chidoshi, baby kata sudah customer, kapata iya kota kadi sama, panerimba saja kamu tanah, kapata ngero customer jaja budara, nama dia kamu punya customer, DJ Arba. Mudzimu nama pio leo. Yuko baby kana ni bangana. Hela. Pa, che. Ana kuchumira napo. Atoli napo. Ni bangana abasuwe. Uri ni bangana abasuwe. Ene bana kuchimbira napo. Atoli napo. Ni bangana abawe. Uri ni bangana abawe. Enda ango pasi wasokora simutu wa moto. Obna na chumara tungu na moto sobo. Nipitori na bomangalizo. Hepatini la pasamba napo. Atoli napo. Abangari. Hepatini la pasamba napo. Atoli napo. Abangari.
Let's have a discussion on this, guys. Do you think it's fair for Royal Heritage Festival to schedule performances in the afternoon for our Venda up and coming artists like Root Kid Venda, Syria the Community, and Goosebumps Banana? That's the question. It's just a question, guys. A short while later, Chidoshi returned to the stage, this time with DJ Wui, and the performance was incredible, guys. You can see Oria, God is great, God is beautiful, God ndi Chidoshi. That's all from me, guys. If you are new here, kindly leave the comment, like. Also, don't forget to follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so very much. I love you.